Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Dola AI slow responses at a full guide for 2026. If it's lagging, taking forever to process, or responding very slowly, these steps will help speed things up. First, check your internet speed. A slow connection can make Dola AI lag. Test your network and, if possible, switch to a faster Wi-Fi or a wired connection for better performance. Next, close unused browser tabs and background apps. Running too many programs at once can slow down processing. Freeing up resources often makes Dola AI faster. Then clear your browser cache and cookies. Old data can slow down how Dola AI loads and responds. Clear cache, reload the page, and try again. Some browser extensions or VPNs can also cause slow responses. Disable ad blockers, security add-ons, or VPNs temporarily, and test Dola AI again. Finally, if it's still slow, try a different browser or device. Switching from Chrome to Edge or using another PC or laptop can help you identify if the problem is local or account-based. And that's it. These steps usually fix slow response issues in Dola AI. If it's still lagging, contact support. They can help with account-specific performance problems. Thanks for watching.